Hello, Shalom, and welcome to How to Pronounce and Say in Hebrew. And welcome to my new series, Word of the Day, Milat Hayom. Word is Milah, day is Yom. Together, Word of the Day, Milat Hayom. And in this lesson, the word diagnosis. And as you can see in Hebrew, it looks a bit the same. So this is a loan word, Diagnose. Diagnose, 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 diagnose. And there is also a new word. So this is in Hebrew, 100% Hebrew. This is the loan word. And this is Avchana. 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 Aphana, Aphana. If you want to know more about Hebrew alphabet and Niqqud and other stuff, I will put links to those lessons in the description box below, and you can watch my other videos. So until next time, להתראות בקרוב. See you soon.